Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Ipsy and Boxycharm, which this is my last month's Ipsy. I unsubscribed because lately I have been getting a lot of items that I don't really care for. I did my base already and my brows just real quick, just so I can use the items that are in each box so that I can kind of show or whatever. So I'll do Ipsy first. This is what the bag looks like. I'm not going to go through the whole card and all that junk because everybody does it. And yeah. So first thing is the Ciate London Top Coat, and I'm not too big on nail polish, so that'll go in my stash. The next thing is Pink Peony Note Perfume, and this smells very flowery, so to try that out. I'm not too big on floral perfumes, but if I don't like it, then I'll just give it to my daughter or something. Alright, now this, I got a Bahama Mama bronzer, which I will go in and use it as a contour. So I will go in, I mean it's super tiny, so it's hard to even, how am I going to get that size of a brush in there? That's one of the things I don't like about the Ipsy, is everything's like, most of the stuff is sample sizes and I don't really care for that. So I'm just going to use this as my contour. It's very dark. But yeah, this will probably end up just sitting in my stash of sample stuff. And then I'm actually going to use this on my eyes too. I'm going to use it as a transition because another item that I got is the Naked Cosmetics Desert Sunset Pigment. And it's very shimmery. So I'm just going to go in and lay down this Bahama Mama as a transition in my crease. And then I'm just going to take and use a little smudger brush, if I can find it, and put some of that under my lower lash line. Just to kind of darken it a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this pigment and just pack this on my lid with a fluffy brush. and it's super pigmented. So I'm going to have to probably tap off the excess. And I'm just going to press this into my lid. That's, I don't know how well you can see it. But yeah, there's that, and I'm just gonna, just gonna go back in with that Bahama Mama and kind of blend out the edges a little bit. And there's that. And the last thing that I had in my Ipsy bag is a
Manakadar Beauty Blush.
In Paradise, it's called Paradise Blush. So then I will just go in and take my e.l.f. blush brush and put a little bit of this on the apples of my cheeks if I can get it open. And then I'm just going to take a little bit it's very pigmented. I'm not a big blush person, so just because, I don't know, I just don't know if I like the way it looks. I feel like I look like a clown when I wear blush, so I don't really wear it too often. And that was the last item in my Ipsy bag. And the last Ipsy bag I will be getting ever. For now. Now moving on to Boxycharm. Alright. I'm not going to go over all this junk because everybody already does all that. Don't really care. Alright, everything's all bubble wrapped. So I peeked in here, but I haven't opened anything up. The first thing is an Ades, New York Organic Infused Nail Treatment. Basically a top coat. Wait, maybe it's not a top coat. Nail Treatment Essentials is a complete product range developed to restore your nails to their healthiest and most beautiful natural state. So it is basically a nail strengthener. So it's not a top coat. Alright, the next thing is and that retailed for $18. I don't know why it says top coat on that card and doesn't say top coat on the box. Whatever. Moving on. I also got this Glow for Cause body butter. and I can always use lotions because my skin gets extremely dry in the wintertime. Oh, and it's very creamy, so I don't think you need very much. Oh yeah. And it smells pretty good too. Alright. That retailed for $14. And I got this So Susan fan brush. And that retailed for $18.95. I would never pay $18.95 in real life for a fan brush because that is way too much money. And the last items that I got in this month's January's Boxycharm. This is the Pure Mineral Glow Bronzing Powder. I have not looked at this outside of or inside the package. It's pretty dark, so I will just take this bronzing angle brush and just bronze up the edges of my face.
It still smells like lotion.
I don't really like using bronzer in the wintertime just because I get so pale, but whatever. It'll be nice in the summer to use. So yeah, there's that. And that retailed for $25. And the last item is basically what everybody got in their Boxycharm. It is the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskin. No, I'm sorry, I butchered that. Illuminating Face Highlighter Set. And there's the packaging. And it's in the shades Rose Quartz and Chocolate Diamond. Alright, I will go in with my own. No, I'll use the fan brush that came in my Boxycharm with the Chocolate Diamond, and I'm going to put that closer to my contour.
I don't really care for fan brushes too much.
And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with the Rose Quartz and put that right above. So these are, this is a pretty nice highlight, which will definitely get some use.
And
And that retailed for $35. And everything all together is well over $100. I'm not going to sit there and add everything together like everybody else does. But yeah, so that was my Ipsy and Boxycharm for January. I know it's late, but I was just, yeah, didn't really have the motivation to do it till now. So yeah, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and all the links will be in the description down below. And please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.